how to turn off or on unrecognized logins notifications on Instagram Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off or on unrecognized logins notifications on Instagram Lite. First then open Instagram Lite and now click on your profile and then click this three lines in the top corner and now settings, notifications, and here we'll find it from Instagram. Click on it and scroll down until you find unrecognized logins, and if you want to turn it off just select first one and you can turn it on again just by select this one here, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.